Hello everyone, my name is Anusha. My topic is underwriting. Underwriter. An underwriter is a person who decides whether or not to insure the risk for which application have been submitted. The underwriter's task is to evaluate the risk, eliminate the potential exposure, the likelihood of loss, then make a decision whether or not to accept the application for insurance. Underwriting is the process insurer used to determine the risk of insuring your small business. It involves the insurance company determining whether your firm poses on acceptable risk and if it does not calculating a fair price for your coverage. Principles of underwriting. First one, selection of insured according to company's underwriting standard. Underwriting should select only those insured whose actually loss experience is not likely to exceed to loss experience assumed in the rating structure. The purpose of underwriting standard is to reduce advanced selection against insurer. Second one, proper balance within each rate classification. A below average insured, it means less risk, less premium, in an underwriting class should be set off by an above average insured so that there will be adequate amount for paying all the claims and expenses. Third one, equity among policy owner. Equitable rates should be changed and the each group of policy owners should pay its own way in terms of losses and expenses. Process of underwriting. First one, evaluating loss exposure. In this step, information is gathered about an applicant's loss exposures. Underwriter must understand the activities, operations, and character of every applicant. However, trade-offs are necessary to control underwriting expenses and to handle a reasonable number of applications. Underwriters weigh the need for information against the cost to obtain it. For example, an underwriter is likely to thoroughly investigate a manufacturing facilities whose raw material is petroleum product, not quite to such information to record for a retail facilities in the local strip malls. Second one, determining underwriting alternatives. Each alternative is carefully evaluated. The underwriter must choose the optimal one under the applicant's circumstances. The three underwriter alternatives are: accept the submission as it is, reject the submission, make a counteroffer to accept the submission subject to certain modification. Four major types of modification are as follows. First one, require loss control measures to reduce hazards. Measures are relatively inexpensive and simple to implement, such as fire sprinklers, require considerable capital investments. Second one, change insurance rates, rating plans, or policy limits. A submission is not acceptable at standard rates might be desirable if the underwriter change a different rate, use a different rating plans, or provide a different rate of modification, could either increase or decrease the premium. It will not get the best life insurance rates while performing risk programs, and it will present it to a desirable applicant who applies for coverage at a small rate. Third one, amend policy terms and conditions. A submission might be acceptable by modifying the policy in exclude certain cause of loss and it increase a deductible or make another coverage changes. Fourth one, use facultative reinsurance. If the applicant is in a class of business, it will not covered by the underwriter's reinsurance treaty, or if the amount insurance needed exceed net treaty capacity, the underwriter might be transfer a portion of a liability for the applicant loss exposure to facultative reinsurance. Third process, selection on underwriting alternatives. The underwriter must be whether to accept the submission of offered, accept it with the modification, or reject it. Rejection is sometimes unavoidable. However, rejection process neither premium nor commission, only expense. Therefore, underwriter make the submission acceptable because one of the insurer goal is to make a profitable business. Fourth one, determining the appropriate premium. Underwriter must ensure that each loss exposure is properly classified so that it is properly rated. Insurance costs are typically based on the elaborate classification system in which small loss exposures are combined into the same rating classification. Combination is exposure into rating classification enable the insurer to appropriate potential loss costs with an applicant's particular loss exposures. Consequence, the insurer can develop an adequate premium to pay losses and operate expenses and to produce their profit. Accurate classification ensure a pooling of the exposure whose expected loss frequently and loss severity are misclassification can produce adverse result including insufficient premium, cover loss expenses, inability to sell policies because prices are higher. Implementing the underwriting decision. Implementing underwriting decisions generally involves 3 steps. First one, contract the producer with the decision, good or bad. The decision is to accept the submission with the modification. The reason must be clearly communicated to the producer or applicant, and the applicant must agree to accept the implement the modification. If the applicant is rejected, a clear and logical reason why the particular applicant does not meet the insurer's underwriting requirements must be communicated. Second one, put coverage into effect. Issue a bidder, send a policy worksheet to the policy unit or prepare certificate of insurance. Third one, record the policy and the applicant information for accounting statistically and modification purpose. Day entry, personnel enter essential information into the insurer information system. It must be coded so that the insurer and the industry can evaluate and accumulated information on all accounts for rate making, statutory filing and financial accounting. Sixth process, and it is the last process, monitoring the loss exposures. After an underwriting decision has been made on a new business submission or a renewal, the underwriter must monitoring activity on the individual policies to ensure that satisfactory results are achieved. Thank you.